malamig, pero I'm not expecting na ganito lang siya kalamig. Kasi I was expecting na sobrang lamig niya. That's why, yan, naka-jacket tayo. Pero I think mas malamig sa labas kasi people going inside the airport, parang lamig na lamig sila. Siguro naka-heater na tong airport or yung loob ng airport. It's our second time here in Hong Kong. Alam nyo naman na nung first time, sobrang init nung punta namin kasi August yun. But ngayon, it's the month of December. Mag-New Year na. Actually, December 30 na. We're going to celebrate our New Year dito. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta ng Hong Kong ng malamig. So it's our first time ng malamig dito. Siguro different experience din to kasi we're going to go DIY. We're not going to have a tour. We're going to go to places on our own. So ayun, nakapag-load na si Dad. Kombini! Hello again everyone. It's 12:58. We decided na kain muna kami before we go to the city and we're going to take the bus. Yeah, I've already put our mic. So this is gonna be a vlog like this. Yung hawak-hawak ko yung camera. And it's not gonna, well, it's gonna be a mix na voice over and then I'm gonna be talking in the front of the camera. Diba? So there's gonna be two personalities. Me and then Ian na nag-edit. Diba? Meron tayong Ian the editor. But anyway, we're just going to wait for that and there's a lot of people in 7-Eleven. Later, we're going to take the bus, going to the city using the Octopus card. Dito guys, yung Octopus card, yun yung parang beep card natin sa Pilipinas. Pero here kasi, mas centralized siya. Yung Octopus card, pwede mong gamitin sa train, pwede mong gamitin sa bus, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin pambili. Na-try na namin yun before sa train and yung pambili. Pero yung sa bus, hindi pa. Pero yeah, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Yeah, enough yapping. I'm just going to wait for that. Diyan na kami yung 7-Eleven. And then we're going to have a snack. And ayun, diretso na kami sa city. Let's go! Daming tao men. Tapos kala ko hindi ako maintindihan dito kasi you know, we're a foreigner in this country. Pero dami kasing Filipino. Tama na bilhin, Dad?
Boss, okay. Asan coffee ko?
Boss! Hi guys, we're currently at the Cafe de Coral. Yun, bumili na kami ng pagkain, order na sila. It's the, kumbaga kung may fast food sa ating sikat like Jollibee, dito ang sikat sa Hong Kong is Cafe de Coral. Siyempre, they serve food na dito sa Hong Kong. And may lumapit sa ating kanina, Russian siya, si Karim. Sabi niya, what are you doing bro? Sabi, I'm vlogging bro. Tapos nag-exchange kami ng IG. Seems nice naman. He knows English, so nakapag-communicate kami. Currently, I'm waiting for my food. Dumating na yung kay Daddy. Yan yung food ni Dad. Tapos yung sa akin, I'm waiting for my food. Guys, may dome dito na malaki. Pero napakita ko naman na sa inyo kanina, we took pictures din dyan. And syempre, nagpicture din tayo dun sa, hindi na masyadong kita pero it's a big ribbon. Ni-ribbon niya yung buong building. We're now here at the front of, kita ba? Yeah, that's Hong Kong Museum, guys. We're just walking. Kasi there's a lot of things pala na para makita dito. Nung una kasing punta namin dito sa Victoria Harbor, daytime lang, sobrang init nun. So, hindi rin kami nag-enjoy. We just sit sa Starbucks. Alam ko, nasa vlog yun eh. So, yeah, maybe I'll just put a little bit of flashbacks there. Nasa city daw kami. Ito daw yung harbor sabi. Pero, yeah, now, we are feeling Hong Kong. We are feeling the breeze. We are feeling the coldness. Ito pala yung Hong Kong na sinasabi nila. That's why many people go here, especially now na malamig. Kaya mafe-feel mo talaga why gustong-gusto nila dito sa Hong Kong. Siyempre, sino pa ba kasama natin? Ano no?
Meron ditong Symphony of Light, 7 o'clock.
It's already 4:49 pero maaraw pa naman. Ayan, this is the Victoria Harbor. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Let's go! Hello everyone, we're currently at the Victoria Harbor. This is a popular place here in Hong Kong. I understand why. It's already sunset, tapos yung sun tumatama dun sa building. It's so nice. And sobrang daming picture naming nakuha. Makikita mo rin yung mga building ng Hong Kong. In the other side, kasi nasa other side kami. Pero you will see the different buildings of Hong Kong. Yung iba dyan napuntahan na namin. Yeah, if you're wondering kung anong view dito, ganito siya. Yan yun. Yan. Yan yung view dito kapag nandito kayo sa Victoria Harbor and you're just looking at the sunset. And yung kapag yung sunset is tumatama dun sa building na yan. So, ayun. Scenic place. Very scenic. Parang Thai milk tea na sobrang tabang. Hello guys, I'm just strolling around, already 9:29 in the evening and I just felt like going out. I'm in a park na malapit sa hotel namin and napagtripan ko lang maglakad. I'm just taking some videos, walking, papahangin. Samahan niyo muna ako dito. I'm just gonna put you guys here, tapos uupo ako dun. I'm here sa isang park, malapit sa hotel namin, kasi wala. I'm just here, and it's a nice park. We're just here, feeling the cold breeze of Hong Kong. Malamig ngayon. Last time we went here, mainit. Galing kami ng Disneyland, mainit. Ngayon naman, sobrang lamig. Bakit nga ba kami nasa Hong Kong ngayon? It's because Dad wants to experience Hong Kong again. He wants to experience Hong Kong again ng malamig, di ba? And ako rin naman, hindi ko pa na-experience yung Hong Kong ng malamig. Kaya this trip is all thanks to Dad. Kaya, kay Daddy, thank you. Sa lahat-lahat. Malapit na mag-end yung year. Tomorrow is December 31. Marami nangyari ngayong taon na to. At marami tayong mga bagay-bagay na na-experience. Marami rin tayong mga napuntahan, maraming nakilala. Every year is a nice year. It has its ups and downs. Hindi pwedeng mabuo ang isang taon ng walang ups and downs. Hindi puro ups lang, hindi puro downs lang. It has to be ups and downs. Para magpo-flow yung buhay natin. Ayun. I just wanna thank all the people na sumama sa atin ngayong taon. And I just wanna thank in advance the people that's gonna be with us sa mga susunod pa. Nakaisip na ba kayo ng title? Kasi isip ako ng title. Ano kaya pwede maging title nito? 21, 24, 23, 24. Ano kaya 2025? Ano kaya 2025? 25?